Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and today we have a chili lime rubbed steak. And I would like to remind everyone that every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, a new episode debuts. All right, first thing we got to do is make the rub/marinade. You're going to want to start off with a tablespoon of olive oil, followed by 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Okay, then you're going to want to add a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of cumin, a half a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and you're going to want to swirl all this around. To be clear, I actually used white pepper instead of black pepper. I don't know, I think it works a little bit better with this recipe, but you can certainly use freshly ground black pepper. So, all right, then once you get all your spices, then you want to give this a little stir. Okay, and you should be looking at something that resembles pretty much what I have in the bowl right here. It's not exactly a dry rub, and it's not exactly a marinade. Okay, then you want a 3/4 pound New York strip steak, and you basically want to rub this mix in. Make sure you get it on the sides and on the back, and then you just want to leave this on the steak, on the counter, for about 10 minutes. Don't worry, you'll be fine. It's not going to immediately get ravaged by bacteria, despite what the food police say, the fucking worrywarts. So 10 minutes on the counter, and that'll give us time to get our griddle heated up. Okay, so it wasn't a griddle. It was, in fact, one of my favorite ways to cook steaks, and that's a good old-fashioned black iron pan over medium to medium-high heat. And we have some veggie oil in the pan because of the smoke point. And then you just want to cook this up for at least 2 minutes aside, but I generally go 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and then it's pretty much right at the doneness that I want, which is kind of on the rare side. So just keep flipping every 2 minutes. If you go 2 minutes beyond that, you'll get closer to a mid-rare. 2 minutes beyond that, medium. And 2 minutes beyond that, medium well. And anything beyond that, go to hell. And look at that. Also, don't forget to make sure to cook the fat and the sides of this as well. Don't just cook the 2 sides. Cook the whole damn thing. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our steak is done. And I have to tell you, this was actually really good. So, next time you're making a steak, give this a try. All right, that's chili lime rubbed steak. Done.